You can see that? It's a waterfall. Yesterday when we drove by here and we saw this, and we said, whoa, that is a huge waterfall, man. But this is the only point where we can see it. There's a road here. Where is it? Here? But when you drive this road, we did that, we drove this road, and you cannot see nothing from this waterfall all the way down there. And then we got back home, we looked at Google Earth, and there's a parking place somewhere over there. But even if you park the car out there, you can still not see anything from this waterfall. Also, we've seen that some people had been walking from the parking place down there to this waterfall. So it is possible somehow to access it, but we don't know yet how. What are we gonna do? I mean, there's a lot of clouds now here. We could fly out from here to there, but I think there's too much clouds. I think we're just gonna go over there and have a look from there and see how close we can get, because this is like a hidden waterfall. Normally when you look on Google Earth you can see hundreds of photos at locations where there is something to see, but for this one there's just none, because it's so hidden, and that makes it interesting. So we can just drive out there and see how close we can get, and maybe launch the drone from over there and then have a sneak peek. We parked the car nearby at a bend of the road, and we can just place for one car, and we can hear it, but just how are they getting it? You gotta go through these bushes, man. Oh, here's a little bit of an open space. Whoa. We can see something here. Whoa. Whoa, man. That is just like straight going down over here, like this. And you can see, whoa, man. That is just, and that is deep. Whoa. I'm not that afraid of heights, but it's just so steep. It's just bam, going downwards. But anyway, you can see the river over here. And on this side, it's not as steep, but you cannot see anything here. But you gotta watch your steps over here, because and over there there's this parking place. We've been there, and we tested the 3D return to home if the signal gets lost feature. That did not seem to work, if you remember that video. But it's beautiful here, even though it's cloudy, a little bit mist. But I think we can launch the drone and then look down, and we will see a lot more. But we've seen tracks of people going down. They must have been going down here, because on Wikiloc you can see the tracks that people walking, and you can see over here. You can go down, and then probably you can get to the bottom of the waterfall. So the place where you can see the waterfall is now completely covered in clouds. We cannot see it anymore. I think I can launch. It's a little bit close to the car, but I'm I'm just gonna put it forward. I think when we just go there and then there and have a look down, we should be able to see it. Eh? Here it is. That's funny, eh? And we can only see this because we got a drone. But we have to go here, like this. And here we can truly see it. And actually it's funny, this overexposure, you can see a lot more clearly if the color style that you are using, if it can deal with the dynamic range. It disconnects again. I got another USB cable and it disconnects again. I'm going backwards. I want to see more of the... I think we should walk a little bit this side. Yeah, because then I have a better view on the drone. Oh! Because I would want to go down. And the waterfall is a little bit overexposed. But the problem is when I do D-log, it's very labor intensive to color correct it all, and it's already a lot of work to edit all the videos, so I think it's disconnecting again.
There's another waterfall, small one.
Yeah, downwards. I think I can go down a lot more, and meanwhile keep the camera up. It's a really large waterfall. And let's see if we can have a look where it's going. Like this. It's really going under. I'm almost exactly above the drone, I think. Above the stream, I mean. It's not the smoothest of the smoothest shot at all. But you get the picture, I hope. I shoot, and now it says it disconnected again. I think this must be something with the USB. It's impossible. But like this, yeah, I can still see it. So I'm gonna go backwards. I got a lot of space over there. But if I go too far, you cannot see the stream anymore. So like this, and then I want to turn left, slowly left, and slowly put the camera up, like this. Very, very slowly. I want to do that again. I want it like this, and then turn left and put the camera up in one movement. Like this, and then like this. It's not perfect, but I don't want to try this 50 times and bother you guys with all of that. I think you get the picture of what this waterfall is about. It's very funny. I'm gonna fly closer now. And again, you do not get this view in any other way than with this drone. There's like a lake over here, a small pond, and there's one waterfall, and it's going in the pond. You can see that? It's going in the pond over here, and then here's the big one. It's funny, huh? Let's focus on there so we can be sure it's... And then if I go up, I think you can see more of where it's coming from. And I want to go quicker and look in that direction, because otherwise you only see trees. And now this is where it's coming from. We can have a look over there. There's a lot of water here. And here is some water. It's also a pond, it seems. But it's not attached to the stream, strangely enough. So let's have a look at what it is. Maybe there are some frogs out there, like we saw the other day. There are some frogs here. You can hear them making noise. And they're over here. I don't know if this is the one that's making noise. And there are many of them. And the water is like 30 degrees or something. So they are really nice, hot and comfortable over here. And there's a hot pool where some people are. Now the signal gets bad. I think I have to turn in that direction, yeah. Otherwise I'll lose my signal. It's funny. Because it seems it's not attached to the stream, which is over here, and it also seems as if it's higher. Oh, alright. And then we got this ruin over there. And then we can go up more. And yeah, if we go up more, then you got a lot of mist from the clouds. There's two streams coming together, one from the right and this one. So, and this one, and they meet up here. And from here it goes over there. Alright, I think we've seen the waterfall. Now we're in a cloud. Okay, I'm going down. Because these clouds are very moist, very wet. And that may interfere with my drone. Okay, nice flight over the stream like this, and now we can lift the camera and maybe see what's out there. And this is too bright, you cannot see that. It's also too low. Then we're going up, and I will show you if it's possible the other side of the island. You can only see a little part of it. 150 meters away, so I can fly a little bit in that direction and see if we can see a little bit more of the island. If I put the camera down, you can see all the green stuff over here a little bit better. I'm going to be at 500 meters now, so we will not provoke the Portuguese ANAC, and we'll just stay within the limits that they set for me. And we can fly back. I can see the street. I think I can see the car. Let's have one other. Oh, you can see this over here. That is. It looks like now. Well, a landslide is a big word, but whoa. Let's have a look. Because maybe like a mudslide all down the slope. And it would demonstrate how dangerous these slopes are. Yeah, look, everything is gone. Here. And I think this came all the way down. I have to get my finger at the camera wheel like this, and going down and going backwards, and then you guys can see what it is. And did it stop? No, I just stopped.
You must make some pictures from the waterfall.
Yeah, maybe I can do that. Let's take a picture from the waterfall, because that is one feature about the Phantom 4 Pro that actually I like that, because I can just film and whatever. You know, I don't have to stop the recording. So I'm going to position my camera, and then I have to go to the tablet. I want to make sure that this is in focus. That is something I do not really like. This, you have to constantly be aware of that the focus is right. Picture. And flying with goggles, it's not something you can do simultaneously. So let's make another photo and reposition everything a little bit like this, and then we're gonna make another photo. But you know, that's nice that you can make a photo while filming. I like that. It's out there. It's nice and white, you can easily spot it. And the orange color of the stream, that's iron. We've been in a cave here, in a lava cave. It was funny. But it was a very small one. But this lady told that this reddish color, that is iron. And a lot of the hot springs have this too. They have this kind of color. Well, alright. What can we do? Make another picture?
Yeah, a bit closer.
Closer? Alright, yeah, that would be nice, I think. If I just hang out in front of this stream here.
You got the best picture of all.
Yeah, I mean, nobody can make a photo from this position. Except when you have a drone. So like this, and then maybe put the camera up a little bit, like this. So that could be one picture. Oh, I think I can make a picture over here as well. Let me see. Ah, it's true. I just remember, like over here. I push over here, so I don't even need to go back to to my screen, I just have to find this. And it just wants to stop. Okay, I'm yeah, nevertheless I still have to focus, of course. Disconnected. Now it wants to come back.
Go home.
Yeah, you can go home. There it comes. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like the waterfall. I hope you like what we're doing. If so, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see more. The thumb is going up. And give your comments in the box below. See you on the next one. Bye. That's funny. Check this. I stepped into a pool with my shoes and now it's all orange from this iron stuff. It's incredible. I gotta get it off.